Now let's talk about the activities. Activities में lawyers such as Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das, C.R. Das, Motilal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad and many others gave up their legal practice. They stopped practicing, right? Second, students left colleges and schools as the program was set up. जो program set up किया गया था उसी के according activities होने लग पड़ी. The Congress boycotted the election to the legislature. Remember Montag Chelmsford reform which says there will be election to increase the number of the members of legislative council. तो वो हमने boycott कर दिया कि हम we are not going to participate. Charkha was manufactured for the people to spin cloth. Gandhi ji himself started spinning and this became one of the constructive program which started by Mahatma Gandhi. The Jamia Millia Islamia established as national university, the Bihar Vidyapeeth, the Kashi Vidyapeeth and the Gujarat Vidyapeeth. Sometimes they ask you name the national institutions which were established during the non-cooperation movement. So these are those institutions, universities. Rabindranath Tagore and many other distinguished citizens of India renounced their title of knighthood which was given by the British. Gandhiji returned the medals that were awarded for his work in South Africa. Apart from it, people contributed generously to finance the movement. Sorry, I forgot one thing. During this proposal or each and every single thing, one of the greatest leader of India, he died. लोकमान्य तिलक की मृत्यु हो जाती है और एक फंड सेटअप किया गया था जिसे लोकमान्य तिलक फंड कहा गया in order to raise money for the Congress working committee so they can chalk out so many programs which definitely required money. इसके अलावा इन्होंने एक फ़ंड निकाला जिसमें इन्होंने डिमांडेड दैट पीपल शुड डोनेट. फ़ंड के लिए आप डोनेट कीजिए टू रेज़ द मनी. एक चीज़. सेकंड थिंग, एक और बात बताऊं कि उस वक्त के दौरान मोहल्लों में, विलेजेस में एक काम किया गया था विद द पर्पस टू इंक्रीज़ द मेंबर्स ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस. इन्होंने मोहल्लों में जाकर लोगों को मोटिवेट किया कि यू शुड पार्टिसिपेट और उस मेंबरशिप के लिए पीपल यूज़ टू पे. लोग पैसे देते थे एट अ काइंड ऑफ डोनेशन फॉर द इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस. दिस इज़ हाउ दे raised that money that been used as a finance to finance the Indian National Congress work. Shop selling foreign goods and liquor were picketed. Foreign clothes were burnt in the marketplaces. In Malabar, Moplas rebelled against authorities. This rebellion assumed a communal character when they killed many Hindus. This unfortunate incident gave a severe blow to Hindu-Muslim unity. ये एक a kind of negative deed was there, unfortunate for this movement. The Prince of Wales came to India in 1920 when the people boycotted his visit at Mumbai. So definitely they ask you this question, को पूछ लेते हैं कभी कि who was that fellow who came during this non-cooperation movement, that is Prince of Wales. The people boycotted this thing. Why this non-cooperation movement was withdrawn? When this movement was launched, जब ये movement launch की गई थी तब ये सोचा गया था कि we will not use violence, हम violence का इस्तेमाल नहीं करेंगे, but unfortunate violence आ गया, right? There's a district in UP that is Gorakhpur. There's a place named चौरी चौरा. वहाँ पे पुलिस वालों ने कुछ लोगों को अरेस्ट कर लिया और उस अरेस्ट के अगेंस्ट या उन लोगों को छुड़ाने के लिए लोग धीरे धीरे जो पुलिस स्टेशन रहा उसके इर्द गिर्द इकट्ठे होने शुरू हो गए, राइट. और भीड़ इतनी उग्र हो गई कि पहले तो उनके बीच में हाथापाई हुई या मार कुटाई हुई एंड लेटर ऑन दे टाइड दिस पुलिसमैन एंड दे बर्न्ड देम अलाइव ओवर देयर. और इसमें कोई 22 के करीब पुलिस वाले थे जो जल के मर गए. ये it happened on 5th Feb 1922. 5 फरवरी 1922 को ये सिलसिला होता है. तो when गांधी जी came to know about this thing, he decided to withdraw the movement. उन्होंने movement को withdraw कर दिया था. This incident in the history of India is known as the Chauri Chaura incident, when 22 policemen were burned alive by a mob at Chauri Chaura in Gorakhpur district in Uttar Pradesh, right?